welcome to a special edition of Mission Park Cares.
And today we are previewing a very special auction that you won't want to miss. Here's Kelly Way Fry to tell us all about an incredible auction item.
Thank you, Kristen, for having me here
Absolutely.
today.
We're so glad you're part of the Forum auction.
Well, we have contributed some beautiful earrings from our store that is at 5926 Broadway. And these earrings are, they are turquoise and 14 karat gold and diamonds. This is a designer cabana made in the United States. It's made in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
How beautiful. And that turquoise is, I mean, there's not a vein in that. That looks like almost a Sleeping Beauty turquoise.
It is. It's beautiful. A really nice, fine turquoise. So we're hoping to raise some money for Texas Biomed. Obviously, want to support a cause that does a lot of good for our community and actually the world.
Absolutely. So Kelly, you know jewelry. I mean, you know your stuff. What do you look for when you're picking turquoise?
Well, I am a certified gemologist, so I do kind of look from different angles. There's different qualities and different locations, and all those things kind of contribute to price and value. And really, I mean, at the end of the day, it's about beauty and just setting people's expectations and value, and really just creating those treasured pieces that can last a lifetime.
So we see a lot of turquoise in Native American jewelry. But in fine jewelry, is this something that's becoming very popular that people are looking for?
Yes, absolutely. I do find that in the fine jewelry, that in yellow gold, it distinguishes it, since a lot of the Native American jewelry is set in silver and is traditionally has the veining and the special attributes. The pure turquoise looks really nice in yellow gold jewelry and diamonds.
So Kelly, why are you involved in the forum? What really sparked your interest?
I was engaged a couple years ago to be a trustee, and just my passion for the science really, and once I learned what Texas Biomed really does, just about learning about the viruses and the things that they deal with, it's just such an impact on any sort of illness in our society.
So after a year of pandemic, people are starting to get back to a little more normal. Can people come visit your store, and what would they see?
Yeah, absolutely. We have actually been open face-to-face in our store since May last year. And you know, we're taking the proper precautions, and also we text and email our customers. You can text our store and we will respond. So we've kind of modified it. We've kind of found some ways to make it exciting and engaging, and we have a wonderful website. So
that's wonderful. So people can still purchase for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays.
We will gift wrap and deliver. We try to make it easy and fun.
What sparked your interest to have a jewelry store and do what you do?
So I lost my mother when I was 7 years old, and she was very interested in jewelry. She had a beautiful collection, and it was really my connection to her. And so I very early on knew that this is what I want to do, and I went to the University of Texas, got a different degree, and then pursued my gemology degree, and it really is amazing. It's been such a blessing to turn a passion into a career.
So if somebody comes to your store, what treasures do you have in there? What are they going to see?
We have collections from different designers, as well as our curated collection of just diamonds and jewelry. We also do gemstones, we do custom work, we do repair. We really try to make it an experience for anyone of different price points, anybody who's shopping in a different price range. If you're buying for your granddaughter, if you're buying for yourself, or a special birthday or anniversary, we try to make it an experience that all ages and all styles can accommodate.
Kelly, thank you so much for contributing to the auction and all you do for the Texas Biomed Forum. We really appreciate your friendship and your partnership, and you really, really help us to meet our goals.
No, it's our pleasure.
Thank you so much.